one extra lock to my hair. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you tell? It's this one. He's new to the block, to my ikamba.
Hey there, it's me again, Victory the African Mermaid.
Today, I am going to be adding one extra lock to my head. I wish I knew how many was on my hair so I could say like the 87th one or something like that. We gonna count them one day, y'all. We gonna count them. And we gonna fix things like this, right? I just washed my hair. I already fixed a couple of these little things. Like, I don't even know how this guy got so long. Why I'm semi-freeform is because like, things like this I fixed, you feel me? Like, can't be walking around with this little man sticking up like that. So boom. Now he's settled down, you know what I'm saying? He's settled down. So come into my office. My office of surgery, lock surgery. Something wrong with me. Right, okay, so we need to put this a little higher. Alright, See this guy though? This is like from some loose hair I locked in there, buried in there, but I love this. Like, I wish everybody understood like the differences in locks. Okay, y'all too close. I wish everybody understood like the differences in locks. Like, you know, there's freeform locks, there's semi-freeform locks, and it's all beautiful, you feel me? Some people might look at my hair and be like, yo, she need a retwist, whatever. But if only they saw the beauty, you know what I'm saying? Like, this little dude, to me, is just so dope. And like I don't know if I said this before in another video, but when I'm finding out in corporate America, I really want to go just full freeform. I just love, like, it's how your hair naturally grows at your head. I love it. I just love that look. So yeah, I'm not gonna like wrap this guy around or nothing, cause he just chilling. And this one, this one legit just be sticking up like alfalfa, you feel me? So it's like, I gotta pat him down, baby. But we gonna see some, baby, we gonna see. All right, back to the matter at hand. So, I have been trying to grow this little patch of hair forever. I've always looked at it and I'm like, yo, that could be a whole nother lot, but there was like not that much hair there. But all the things that I've been doing, drinking my water, taking my vitamins, all that good stuff has been paying off, y'all. And I got a lock from my first set, or from back in the day. And I'm gonna be attaching this baby. At first I was like, yo, I'm just gonna be el natural and just like start the lock like this. But I was like, nah, it's gonna look crazy. I'm gonna have like, yeah, no. And then this is a fun moment to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. So all you need is your wee nimble little fingers, right? And my handy dandy crochet hooks. I'll probably be using this smaller one. This is a 0.85, and this also, I think, this one's a 0.75, but like these ones from the crochet, from the knitting, whatever section in Walmart, I think the crochet section, they be skinnier, because this guy's fat, and I'm not trying to like ruin my hair. So anywho, I'm just gonna get into it. So this bit right here, y'all, was bald, right? Yikes! And look at all this hair that's grown here. Look. Make it closer for y'all, so y'all can really see what's going on. So boom. So what I like to do, right? So these are two locks put together. Y'all should have seen just how I made this itself, because first it was too short. Anywho, I like so wherever you cut your lock, if you cut it or wherever it was cut from or whatever may have you, you're gonna want to take like something sharp like this and like go like that carefully and just undo it so you have some buzz, right? Because I'm gonna braid this first. And then I took this broke behind comb. Don't laugh at my comb. I've been combing some. rough locks with it. So just take a comb and then like get all the lint out and all that good stuff. So boom. So boom, cut. Kind of brush out and then take the lint out, right? So I got one fuzzy boy like that, and then I got this, right? I'm gonna undo him a little bit. So he's fuzzy too, and so you got something to work with, like to braid with. Let me show y'all from the top, right? So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to see how this grew. So I'm gonna be brushing his hair carefully with this fragile hair. So this is what we got here. And it's still growing kind of funny, but I believe that it will grow nice and thick like all of these guys. You know what I'm saying? Eventually. So I had just taken this, right? And this part's like the shortest. That part's like short. So I had taken this. And I'm gonna do a loose braid, not so tight, right? And then boom. And I had put this in here and put more in here. But your head will let you know when something ain't right, when it's uncomfortable, when it's too tight and it's pulling. So I eventually ended up taking out the little hairs that was growing, and I was like, bro, this has grown a lot. It's time to put that extra lock that I've always said needed to be there. So now I got like a fuzzy here, and I got that, and I'm just gonna combine these. I'm just gonna do it, and hopefully you will see what I'm doing. So I'm going to split this up in two, and it's gonna be like my third to braid with. So you can either put it on top or bottom. I'm going to put it on top, because I feel like that would be the most stable. Or I don't know, I gotta feel this out. It's hard to explain, so I'm gonna put it underneath and put the middle, put the one on my head in the middle. And I'm just gonna start braiding. I wanna make sure it's nice and secure.
Psst. Hey, psst. Yeah, you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're loving the vibes. And to all of my new subbies, y'all the real ones.
So I'm gonna take some hair from here. Right? And now, I'm just gonna braid out. So I've seen some other people do this, and like they said that they lock extension came out. I feel like this braid method is really legit. You see? Y'all see this? This ain't going nowhere. This ain't going nowhere, y'all. And I know because I did it with these guys. I'll show you a before picture, but these guys right here, they from my old set of locks, right? And these guys was like, these guys used to be like down here, right? They used to be like mad low. And I ain't like the look of that no more, you feel me? So I cut them, and they had shells on the bottom, right? These shells. So I ended up cutting them and then I just brought it up and I interlocked this, and you can't even, I think it was right here. Actually, I don't even really know. Or not interlocked. I ended up crocheting this, and it's been like a year and it's still in there, you feel me? Because I did this little braid method. So, anywho, boom. So it looked like this. And I'm just gonna take this and just wrap. Right? So I don't wanna like wrap this into my root, right? Because I don't want my root to be too tight. I want it to breathe. So I'm actually gonna end up wrapping this like down. That's kind of going up, but I'm going down, right? So wrap it down. I think I'm gonna use my fatter crochet hook for this. So this little hook, right, it grabs the hair when you wrap it around and it pulls it through the lock. So that's all I'm doing right now. So boom, right, wrap, wrap, wrap. See, it just pulled it through. So now I'm going to turn this and I'm going to do it again. Put through the lock, wrap, wrap, wrap. Sometimes you gotta do it like slow. And then boom, it's in there. Now, I'm going to see how this develops. Because you want to make sure the hair that the lock is holding is not too thin, or that the lock that you're putting on it is not too heavy. I feel like this guy is light enough, but at the same time, I'm not really sure how this hair is gonna grow. Because like I said, it wasn't there before, it's new hair. But I'm gonna make sure to keep taking my vitamins and, you know, drinking my water and all that. So that I ensure that my hair stays healthy. And you can hold this guy. So right now I'm just meshing it together. I'm holding the lock like this, like up against my root. And I'm just like crocheting together what we just braided and all that good stuff. I just did some lock surgery, y'all. This baby ain't going nowhere, you hear me? No word. And I'm using the smaller tip for this because I don't want this to damage my hair too much. I feel like the smaller one is better for my hair. So boom, you know? That's so good, isn't it? And I'll keep y'all updated on how this little guy's doing. Just added an extra lock to my hair tonight. Oh my gosh. Oh, I dreamed of this day. And when my hair starts growing, you won't like see that space. You won't see these spaces as much. But I'm gonna show y'all a before. Because child, this little bit has come a long way. Like, I was trying to take this hair and put it into this guy and this guy. And that'll, you know, lead to bald patches and alopecia and all this crazy. But yeah, it don't grow. I just have to keep nurturing this spot. And we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'll keep you all updated, but I'm satisfied. I am satisfied. I think it looks pretty dope. It adds more thickness to my locks. sure. And it is done late, and I got work in the morning. It is 12:04, and I gotta record one more video. But yeah, not everybody is blessed with the thickest of fullest of hair. Even my hair is a little fine. I would describe my hair as low density, fine type hair, but I feel like it is hitting a come up. I feel like my hair used to be dumb thick, but the way I took care of it kind of killed it a little bit. So yeah, this is just my come up season, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just doing my best now, trying to be mindful of what I put in my body, what I put on my hair, how I take care of it, trying to be consistent with things. So yeah, I will keep you updated on all of that good stuff. Keep you on the up and up. Okay, like I said, it's late, so like, comment, subscribe. In the meantime, between time, you'll be well, be loved, and be blessed. It's your girl signing out. Victory, yeah, Mermaid. I gotta come up with like a thing, like you know how Sailor Moon and them got their little tiaras, maybe. I'm gonna do something.